Hello, my name is Dr. Chris Coker, and this is ChristianWebMD. The topic at hand is type 1 versus type 2 diabetes. Often people get those confused. Let's go over that for just a moment. Type 1 diabetes is actually an autoimmune disorder, and that simply means that antibodies that should be doing something else are instead attacking the pancreas, and specifically attacking the beta cells of the pancreas, which are the cells that make insulin for the body. Insulin is the chemical that is used by the body to get sugar from the bloodstream into the cells. Insulin, therefore, is not made, and if insulin isn't made, we have type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes usually affects children. It peaks around 10 years of age, and white youth have the highest incidence over Hispanic or African American youth. Fortunately, only about 15,000 children are diagnosed a year. While that's obviously still too high, it is actually the rare form of diabetes. Type 1 diabetes has to be treated with insulin. As I said, there's simply no insulin made. And so therefore, lifelong shots or pumps are probably going to be required. Type 2 diabetes is by far the more common. It is a metabolic disorder and is associated with things like obesity and lack of exercise. 90% of diabetics in America today are type 2. It is due to the body's resistance to insulin. Insulin is made. As a matter of fact, there's a lot of insulin in the body. It's just no longer very effective at taking that sugar from the bloodstream into the cells. Medication can be used for type 2 diabetes. That includes pills, shots that are not insulin, and yes, at times, massive doses of insulin have to be used to get the blood sugars down. Type 2 diabetes is treated oftentimes by the primary care physician, while type 1 diabetes is often treated by a pediatric endocrinologist. Remember, this video is for educational use only and is not intended for the diagnosis or treatment of any disease. If you have questions about type 1 or type 2 diabetes, please talk to your physician. And thank you for watching ChristianWebMD.